EduPlus is back again, but it's EduPlus this time.
Hello everybody, it's EduPlus time again, and we, the team of EduMates, have taken the topic suggestions to mitigate the problem of educated unemployment. Now, let's see the contents. And I hope you all saw the contents right now. And now, let's get into the introduction. The definition of an unemployed person is someone who's 16 and up and is jobless, able and willing to work and is actively searching for a job. This means anyone who is reaching out to contacts about a job or applying to higher positions. Unemployment is a hot button issue across many of the world economies, and many governments take unemployment rates to determine everything from economic stability to citizen
Satisfaction.
Hello everyone, this is Krishna of class 9B. As we are discussing about types of unemployment, I am here to say about rural and open unemployment. So let us start with rural unemployment. The unemployment rate has increased in rural area across the country, rising from 6.75% in the weekend July 25th. According to the fresh data from the Center of Monitoring Indian Economic, a week ago the unemployment rate in rural areas stood at 5.1%. In comparison, there has been a rise in urban unemployment, rose to 8.01% in the weekend July 25, rising from 7.94% a week ago. Now I am going to say about open unemployment. Open unemployment refers to the situation in which an individual has no job and unable to earn his livelihood. This unemployment is clearly visible. People's unemployment will affect the production of goods and services in economic. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am N. Charan Kumar. As we are discussing about types of unemployment, I am here to say about disguised and seasonal unemployment. So first, let us start with disguised unemployment. The situation of under unemployment is refers to the situation when people are apparently working, all of them are made to work less. Then their potential is called disguised unemployment. In this case, the person will consider himself employed but is actually not working. Let us learn about seasonal unemployment. Seasonal unemployment occurs when people are unemployed at particular times of the years when demand for labor is lower than usual. Seasonal employment refers to the temporary window of time when the number of available employment opportunities decrease. Thank you.
As we are discussing about types of unemployment, I'm going to talk about urban unemployment. Urban unemployment takes place in urban areas. It is primarily a phenomenon of both industrial and services sector. In this type of unemployment, a person is out of his work on his own desire and does not want to work for the prescribed wages. It is in fact a social problem leading to social disorganization.
Hello everyone, this is P. Abhit of class 9B. As we are discussing about types of unemployment, now I am going to say about industrial and educated unemployment. The first one is industrial unemployment. If a person has to remain unemployed for a given period due to the changes in industrial sector, such a condition is called industrial unemployment. This is the most commonly observed type of urban unemployment due to the increasing rate of migration of workers from rural to urban areas. As rural migration increases, urban unemployment also does. For example, the people who migrate from rural area in search of unemployment are semi-illiterates and have no special training and skill. The second one is educated unemployment. The most horrifying kind of unemployment is when the educated youth are unable to find appropriate jobs to suit their qualifications. With an improvement in education over time, skilled workers have increased in number, but the number of available jobs have not increased correspondingly. This causes educated unemployment.
Hello everybody, myself Maria and now I am going to talk about technological unemployment. This type of unemployment takes place every time when the technology upgrades and the existing workforce are unable to cope with the new technology. If the skills are required to meet the new technology, they do not match the existing skill sets of the employed workers, they cannot adapt, they become unemployed. Upgradation is a natural process with cyclic obsolescence of one set technology becomes irrelevant and get replaced by another.
Hello everyone, this is G. Trinath Ramesh, studying in grade 9th B. Today I am going to say about vocational education. Vocational education should be encouraged so that after education, people do not have difficulty in getting jobs because they will be better trained for work. More use of information technology should be made in giving education. Education should be catered to the needs of the employment markets. More opportunities should be made available in the tertiary sectors where more unemployed people can find the jobs. Suggestions of mitigated education and employment. Emphasis should be laid on skill. Technical education should be provided. Vocational education should be introduced. The problem of the education unemployment can be mitigated by providing the professional education. The problem of the educated unemployment can mitigate by you providing to the educated unemployment but for starting the modern techniques of farming.
Suggestions to mitigate the problems of an educated unemployed are: make the education career oriented, which will help students to not only get education and the working and understanding of education by the use of job application. Creating an individual personality test to check what are the interests of an individual, if his or her coincides with any industries, and then train them in a particular way. Introducing new courses and chapters for both educational and career growth. Thank you.
Pradhan Mantri Rozgar Yojana is a central government initiative which aims to provide self-employment opportunities to all the educated youth who are not employed. This scheme was launched in 1933 and offers unemployment loan to 10 lakh women and youth. This scheme financially assists them to start their own business like trade, service and manufacturing.
Some more government schemes are Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan, Kasturba Gandhi Balika Vidyalaya, National Program for Education of Girls at Elementary Level, Midday Meal Scheme, Mahila Samakhya, Rashtriya Madhyamik Shiksha Abhiyan, Scheme for setting up of 6,000 model schools at block level as benchmark of excellence, Scheme for construction and running of girls' hostel for secondary and higher secondary schools, Scheme of vocalization of secondary education at +2 level.
We thank everyone to watch our video patiently, and I hope you understood what is unemployment, what are its types, and the suggestions to mitigate the problems of educated unemployment. And the people who lost their jobs due to COVID get their jobs soon, and the ones who are educated but unemployed get employed soon. Thank you everyone.